guys, welcome to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to prepare for you a cucumber lemonade, a traditional Mexican drink that we call it Agua Fresca. It's perfect for this summer weather and I know you guys are going to love it. Fresh, refreshing, and especially good for your body. But first things first, I have my apron on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my few ingredients. These are my ingredients: lime, cucumber, a pinch of salt, sugar, water. I cannot wait to make this delicious drink. I am going to start by adding my sugar and 1 cup of water. The reason that I do this, I like to do the syrup first, so we do not add too much sugar to our fresh waters made at home. So from here, we're going to the stove and we're gonna cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar has dissolved completely. So I'll see you over there. My stove is on. I'm gonna put my pan with my sugar and I'm going to stir until it's completely dissolved. It only takes a couple of minutes for the sugar to completely dissolve. My sugar has been dissolved completely. What I'm going to do is turn off the stove, put it aside, and continue with my recipe. While my syrup is cooling down, I'm going to rinse my cucumber and my limes. Okay, now I'm ready to prepare it. Prepare my agua fresca. The first thing I like to do is zest my limes. I'm going to zest it a little bit. I need around 2 teaspoons of zest. Try to only get the peel, only get the top part, because if you get the white part, it's going to be a little bitter. So I like to do it slowly and take my time taking the zest. This water is very refreshing, very tasty, and it's so good for our bodies and our skin. It's a detoxifier. I know it's easier to go and buy a Kool-Aid or a soft drink, but why not do something at home? Do our fresh water at home, and we know what we're offering our family, our kids. Okay, this is enough. We have about 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to do the same with my cucumber. We're just going to take a little bit off. You know, all the vitamin is on the skin of the cucumber. So we're just going to take a little bit off, maybe like a teaspoon. Let's see. I always like to give you 2 options. When you see my videos of agua fresca, you will have 2 options with the same ingredients, of course. Okay, this is enough. Cut these lemons in half. And I'm going to add the juice here to this little container. And the limes are actually very juicy. Okay, I have all my juice in here. I reserved a lemon for decoration. I'm going to cut it in slices, very thin slices, just to decorate my pitcher. Okay, I'm going to reserve on the side. I'm going to get my cucumber. I'm only taking the ends off. I'm going to cut it in half and then again in half. I'm just going to reserve a little piece for my decoration. Put it aside. And this is how I cut my cucumber. I do not take the skin off, but you already know that on the skin you have all the vitamins. All the nutrition is on the skin of the cucumber. So for that reason, I do not take the skin off for my Agua Fresca. Okay, I am ready. I'm going to add the cucumber first. I'm going to add a little bit of the juice with all the zest. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. You might be wondering, why is she adding salt to the cucumber lemonade? It's because the salt will bring up all those flavors. I have my syrup here. I'm only adding half of my syrup. And I'm going to add some water. And I am ready to blend. My home smells very citrusy, very delicious. Let's see. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. I am ready to prepare my pitcher. I'm going to add some ice. I'm going to add some slices of the lime. Some slices of the cucumber. And we're going to add our mix. And add some water to it. This is looking perfect. It's looking refreshing. Let's see how it tastes. We're gonna mix very well. This is the time that we're gonna taste and see if we need to add more syrup. If we don't, that's perfectly fine. We need to add just a little pinch. Perfect. I wish you would be here to see this and to taste this delicious water. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, my first drink is done. Let's continue with the second one, with my second option. I'm going to put it here aside. I'm going to use the same container. I'm going to add all my zest. I'm going to add my syrup. Blend a little bit. I love how this smells. Smells delicious. I have my pitcher here with a little bit of water. I'm going to add some ice. And I'm going to add my lemon juice. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Let's taste. Perfect. I need to add my pinch of salt. And I'm going to add some slices of lime. Let's see. I can't wait to show you the presentation because these waters are amazing, amazing. I will go and show you the presentation and I'll be back with you. This is my final presentation of 2 Agua Frescas. This is the cucumber lemonade and this is the zest lemonade with a hint of mint. These waters are perfect for our families and refreshing and of course healthy. I can't wait to taste these 2 drinks. Let's see how the cucumber lemonade came out. Excuse me. Delicious, delicious. I can't even explain. It's so refreshing. Too much, too good. Let's see how the lemon zest came out with a little hint of mint. Delicious. I hope you could prepare these fresh agua frescas at home. And I gave you 2 options. They are both delicious. I know your family is gonna love it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for playing my video and seeing my recipe from the beginning to the end. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media, get to know me, Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the little bell so whenever I do a new recipe, you are notified. Thank you one more time. And before I say see you soon, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye-bye.